In 2023, a survey by Payroll.com revealed a concerning fact. 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, marking a 6% increase from the year before. That's over 3/4 of the population finding it hard to save or invest once their monthly bills are paid, leaving them financially exposed. What's driving so many people into this tight spot? To get a clearer picture, let's dive into some data from the Federal Reserve and see what factors people think are behind this persistent issue. Welcome to Sage Investing, bringing you timeless investing wisdom. If you're looking to improve your investing knowledge, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this useful. We often hear the phrase living paycheck to paycheck, but what does it really mean? It's when your income just covers essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation, leaving little room for unexpected expenses. Missing even one paycheck can lead to serious financial trouble, making saving money tough and investing out of the question. Surprisingly, only 44% of people think low income is the main cause. Instead, many struggle with the constant pressure of rising costs and unforeseen expenses, which can feel overwhelming and frustrating. Almost 49% of those surveyed blame high monthly bills for their paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. While fixed costs like rent and utilities are tough to adjust, areas like discretionary spending and subscriptions offer more flexibility. High bills can come from overspending on luxuries or struggling with essential expenses. Additionally, 46% attribute their situation to poor budgeting or financial planning. It's not just about income, but also how you manage it. Many avoid budgeting because it seems overwhelming, or they think it means cutting out all spending. In reality, effective financial planning helps manage both current and future needs. Without it, people often end up just scraping by with no clear way to break free. Around 35% of people say unexpected emergencies like medical bills or car repairs are a big reason they live paycheck to paycheck. These surprises can quickly wipe out savings and throw budgets off track, intensifying financial strain. Meanwhile, about 32% blame the rising cost of living. As prices for essentials like interest rates, cars, and housing climb faster than wages, people struggle to keep up with basic expenses and save for the future. This widening gap between income and costs threatens both financial stability and quality of life. Americans typically spend about $3,300 each month on must-have expenses like housing, healthcare, food, transportation, and taxes. Unfortunately, many people don't have that much saved up, so if an emergency hits, they'd struggle to cover even a single month's worth of essentials. To stretch their budgets, many people use a few key strategies. According to the survey, about 63% of respondents save the most money by cooking at home and packing their own meals. The next most popular method, used by 57%, is cutting back on non-essential spending. Additionally, 50% save by buying second-hand items. Living paycheck to paycheck is a tough situation many Americans find themselves in, driven by high bills, poor budgeting, low income, and unexpected emergencies. But the good news is that improved planning and strategic changes can make a significant difference. To start, creating a detailed budget can help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Track your spending and prioritize essential expenses while finding ways to reduce discretionary spending, such as cooking at home and packing your own meals. Building an emergency fund is another crucial step. Even saving a small amount each month can add up over time and provide a cushion for unexpected costs. Additionally, consider shopping secondhand or taking advantage of sales and discounts to stretch your dollars further. It's also worth exploring ways to increase your income. This could mean seeking a higher-paying job, asking for a raise, or finding side gigs that fit your skills and interests. Remember, breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle requires dedication and effort. But the rewards, such as reduced financial stress, increased savings, and greater financial stability, are well worth it. By making small, consistent changes, you can start to see improvements and work towards a more secure financial future.